welcome back to Doodle Cooking Show. I'm your host, Bob Johnson, and this is our guest judge, the world-renowned pastry chef, Jacques Bruno. Bonjour. Let's go see if our competitors are ready. This is competitor 1, the owner of the famous restaurant, Rizzanelli's. This is competitor 2, a stay-at-home dad, father of 6. I'm impressed. For this competition, we're doing a breakfast cooking showdown. Chefs ready? Timer starts in 3, 2, 1. Well, right now they're starting on their beginnings of what looks like to be something to do with the bread and avocado. This looks like delicious, good cereal. What are you making over here? I am making an avocado toast with a homemade garlic seasoning on bread. Yeah, it's one of my restaurants. All right, well, good talking to you. What are you making?
I'm making cereal surprise.
Yeah. I like the way you think.
Yeah.
Are you putting milk before the cereal? That might deduct points for you.
Looks like we're done here.
How's it going over here? Looks like you're running a little slow. Your opponent's already done.
Well, this is pretty fast for a normal person. I think he's just, I don't know. I'm
Much faster than you. Great talking. Do you think your dish is going to win?
Yes, definitely. It's a family favorite where, like you can find the ingredients anywhere. So basically, I just whip it together. Even, like.
You seem very confident.
Yes, I am.
Good job. It's okay, Bruno. Who do you think is going to win this competition?
I think that the one with the cereal surprise is pretty traditional. But I think that the one with the avocado toast is very bleh. Okay? So I think that the cereal surprise is going to win.
Alright, that sounds good.
Yeah.
"15 seconds on the clock. You seem a little stressed."
Yeah, I'm barely gonna get this on by the time the timer is out. So, yes, I am stressed, if that's what you're asking.
Countdown with me, guys.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Competitor 1, can you please explain your dish?
My dish is homemade bread, toasted, topped with avocados, and a homemade garlic seasoning.
How's it taste?
It's good?
Thank you. Competitor 2, can you please explain your dish?
Mine is a cereal surprise with, as you can see, it has marshmallows. And a bunch of other cereal mixed together with a side of apple juice.
Very different from what I just ate.
Is it crispy or just really soggy?
A little bit of both.
Okay.
I got some from the bottom and the top.
Try the apple juice. It'll swallow. You know.
Not bad. I think I had to eat this in the morning. I think the winner is
Chef number 2! How do you feel? Isn't it just amazing?
Yeah, it's so great. I can't wait to go on to the finale.
That was the finale.
You have a big pimple on your nose.